Maksudnya, bos. Catch hip. Leg size. H. Ne. Some. She. Go. Look. Right leg front. Fingers. H. Ne. Some. She. Go. Look. Leg up. Ankle rotation. H. Ne. Some. She. Go. Hand thigh. H. Ne. Some. She. Go. Stretch your leg and down. Other front. Fingers. H. Ne. Some. She. Go. Look. Leg up. Ankle rotation. H. Ne. Some. She. Go. Look. Hand thigh. H. Ne. Some. She. Go. Look. Stretch your leg and down. Join both knee. Knee rolling. H. Knee. Some. She. Go. Look. Hand thigh. H. Knee. Some. She. Go. Look. One leg. Free squats. H. Knee. Some. She. Go. Look. Waist stretch. Knee. Some. She. Go. Look. Hand rotation. H. Knee. Some. She. Go. Look. Catch your hip. Neck exercise. Up and down. H. Knee. Some. She. Go. Look. Side. H. Knee. Some. She. Go. Look. Perpendicular. H. Knee. Some. She. Go. Look. Other leg. Stand over the right side. Sit on the right leg. Our body straight. H. Knee. Some. She. Go. Look. Stand on right side. Right side switch to H. Name. Some. She. Go. Look. Julia. Stand on left side. Left side switching down. H. Name. Some. She. Go. Look up. Front side facing down. H. Name. Some. She. Go. Look. Slowly sit. One right and one left. Forehead touch your knee. H. Name. Some. She. Go. Look. Only for right side. Forehead touch your knee. H. Name. Some. She. Go. Only for left side. Forehead touch your knee. H. Name. Some. She. Go. Only for front. H. Name. Some. She. Go. Chest down. H. Name. Some. She. Go up. Join out both leg. Hammering. H. Name. Some. Say. Go. Look. Such. H. Kyozo. Both feet inside. Elbow pressure. H. Name. Some. She. Go. Look. Pressure. H. Name. Some. She. Go. Forehead touch your feet. H. Name. Some. She. Go. Look. Slowly up. Butterfly. H. Name. Some. Say. Go. Look. Such. H. Kyozo. H. Name. Some. Say. Go. H. Kyozo. Left leg out. Right leg in. Catch your left leg toe. Forehead touch your feet. H. Name. Some. She. Go. Look. Left leg will go left side. Other side down. H. Name. Some. She. Go. Other leg out. Catch your right leg toe. Forward touch your knee. H. Name. Some. Say. Go. Look. Right leg will go right side. Left side down H. Name. Some. Say. Go. Join up both feet. Left leg out, right leg on top. Catch your right leg ankle tightly. Ankle rotation H. Name. Some. Say. Go. Anta H. Name. Some. Say. Go. Fingers H. Name. Some. Say. Go. Tight. Easy. H. Name. Some. Say. Go. Look. Leg up. Down. Arm leg on top. Catch your ankle tightly. Rotation H. Name. Some. Say. Go. Anta H. Name. Some. Say. Go. Fingers H. Name. Some. Say. Go. Tight. Easy H. Knee. Some. Say. Go. Look. Leg up. Down. Jessica. Hands here, pressure H. Name. Some. Say. Join your both knee. Rotation H. Name. Some. Say. Go. Down for rolling push-ups. First 3 count. Go forward H. Name. Some. Anta H. Name. Some. Up. Hands behind head. Each of my count closer leg. Front and back bending. H. Nay. Some. Say. Go. Look. Such. H. Show. So. Join your both heel, V shape, go back, H, say, some, say, go, up, hands up, side bending H, nay, some, say, go, side movement H, nay, some, say, go, down, H, nay, some, say, go, part of both leg, process H, nay, some, say, go, look, up, catch your hip, rotation H, nay, some, same, go, anta H, nay, some, same, go, hands up, rolling H, nay, some, same, go, anta H, nay, some, say, go tight, easy. Other hand up, rotation H, nay, some, say, go, anta H, nay, some, say, go tight, easy. Catch your both shoulder, rotation H, nay, some, say, go, anta H, nay, some, say, go. Turn to right side. Back will push H. Nay. H. Nay. Some. Say. Heel up. H. Nay. Some. Say. Aside. Back will push H. Nay. Some. Say. Heel up. H. Nay. Some. Say. Catch your both knee. Right shoulder down H. Nay. Some. Say. Go. Left shoulder down H. Nay. Some. Say. Go. Middle H. Nay. Some. Say. Go. Up. Adios.
Rosh. Okay, now we will do squats. Okay, hands behind your head. Okay, first we will go down. The hip will go back. Okay, the hip will go back. Body straight. Okay, thighs parallel to the ground, okay? Thighs will be parallel to the ground and the distance between 2 feet will be 1 shoulder, okay? So now we will do 10 squats, okay? Right? Hey! Son! Shay! Go! Rock! Search! Hot! Ho! So, push. Okay, now the common mistakes in squats are don't do half squats, okay? Don't do half squats, okay? And don't do full squats. Don't sit full, okay? So go down until your thighs are parallel to the ground, okay? Don't do half, don't do full, okay? Those. Okay, after normal squats, you can try join your both leg and do the squat, okay? We will do 10, okay? It's hey, son, shay, go, rock, search, touch, go, so. Go down as much as possible, okay? Now widen your both legs. Distance between 2 feet will be 2 shoulder gap, okay? Same as the horse riding stance or kibadachi, okay? So we will do 10 squats, okay? Hey, son, shay, go, rock, search, touch, ho, so. Okay, in these squats the both feet will be pointing straight, okay? 90-degree forwards and the knee will go outwards 45-degree and same thighs will be parallel to the ground, okay? And up, down and up, okay? Those. Those. Okay, now we will do push-ups, okay? So first down, okay? The back will be straight, okay? Chest and hip will be in a same line, okay? In a same line, and the distance between two palm will be 1 shoulder. Okay, distance between two palm will be 1 shoulder, and the both feet will be joined, okay? Both feet will be joined. So first when we will go down like this, okay? Only 2-inch gap from the ground and we will go up. Again down and up, okay? Follow the elbows. Both the elbows will be inside. Go backwards, straight towards the pointing towards the hip, okay? And up. The elbows will not go outside like this. It will go backwards, okay? Backwards and up. Okay, so now we will do 10 push-ups, okay? First, chest, hip in straight line, knees up, okay? It's nay, son, shay, go, rock, search, hutch, ho, so, up, okay? So the elbows will be backwards, the chest and hip will be in a straight line, okay? It will look similar to a plank, and your distance between two palm will be 1 shoulder, okay? So now, and your palm, both hands will be in a straight line to your shoulder, okay? Don't go backward like this, don't come forward like this, okay? It will be in a straight line to your shoulder, okay? Next, down, 2-inch gap from the ground and up. Again down and up, okay? Those. Okay, now we will do jumps, okay? Normal jump. So first catch your hip, then normal jump on your toe, okay? Now follow. Each jump will change after 20 counts. Okay, so first with normal jump. Okay, H, nay, sun, shay, ho, rock, such, hutch, ho, so, H, nay, sun, shay, ho, rock, such, hutch, ho, so, change H, nay, sun, shay, ho, rock, such, hutch, ho, so, H, nay, sun, shay, ho, rock, such, hutch, ho, so, H, nay, sun, shay, ho, rock, such, hutch, ho, so, H, nay, sun, shay, ho, rock, such, hutch, ho, so, H, nay, sun, shay, ho, rock, such, hutch, ho, so, H, nay, sun, shay, ho, rock, such, hutch, ho, so. Osh. Okay, now if you have a skipping rope at home, so you can try skipping. So at first, you can spin the rope sideways and you can only jump, okay, with the rope. First practice this, okay. When it's done, then go for normal skipping, okay. Normal skipping, don't jump too much, just jump a little to pass the rope, okay. Don't fold your knee like this or don't bend your body like this, okay. Okay, so do a little jump just to pass the rope, okay. Normal jump on your toe, okay. Then when it's done, you can do a minimum of 50 to 60 one time, then change it a little, go for single leg jump, okay. Change your leg, then you can alternate your leg, okay. But first do the normal one, okay. Normal skipping, at least go for 50 to 60, then increase the number of jumps, okay. Dosh.